I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but yes, it is your fault you don't got a girl. It is your fault you don't got a girlfriend, or you can't keep one. See, most of the time, it is our own behaviors that is ruining your chances with women. It's not women's fault. It's right here. Let's hop into this. 1, getting angry at anything and everything. Her liking other people's pictures, commenting on other men's posts, her not responding back to your text, not wanting to go on dates. Shoot, even when you do get her on a date. Too many guys have these really high expectations for females, even though these girls aren't yours. These girls are not even accepting to date you, and the angrier you get, the less and further away they're gonna get. You're pushing them away with your behavior. See, you should not be expecting anything out of them, because they ain't your girl, bro. 2, you're boring. It does not matter how tall you are or how much money you have. The reason most women don't like you is because you're boring. Women want excitement, leadership, direction. But if you're the type of dude that just gives into everything she says, it's always yes, honey, okay, honey, whatever you say, she will 100% walk away into that other guy that actually does put spice in your life, that actually does have direction and knows what he wants and can lead her. See, this is exactly why women always end up going for that toxic dude over the nice guy, because the toxic guy is exciting. The nice guy's boring. 3, you're careless. You need to be walking around like a Greek god. Literally, with or without claws, you should be looking on point at all times. Taking care of yourself is just a sign of how you value yourself. Meaning, when you look good, especially without clothes, especially if you take care of the areas where you can't see, it's just social proof. Now she's thinking, yo, why is he so well groomed? Like, why is he always ready? And she's thinking like, yo, this guy must get a lot of play. And that's what we do with Manscaped. We get men to get play. Like, we're hooking up dudes globally, bro. We have sold 4 million trimmers of our Manscaped lawnmower. Can you think about that? Just how many men we are leveling up constantly. You could be one of those dudes. You could start entering the ranks of those attractive dudes that are really taking care of themselves hygienically, and especially when it comes to their grooming and their body hair control. That one thing that most men still tend to forget. See, with Manscaped, we've revolutionized how men take care of themselves. Our Perfect Package 4.0 doesn't just have that name willy-nilly because our marketing team came up with it. No. Our Perfect Package 4.0, it's the perfect package for any man, bro. See, that package comes with our Lawnmower 4.0, which is the best-selling manscaping trimmer on the market. If you don't have one of these in your bathroom's incomplete. Your bathroom should be like a bat cave, right? It should have the tools that you need to deploy a Bruce Wayne, right? You look good, right? If you don't have our Lawnmower 4.0, you're missing out, bro. This thing can cut through anything. It has over 7,000 RPM, which makes it the perfect grooming tool to be able to shave any area of your body, especially in the shower, because it's waterproof. It also has wireless charging and a built-in LED. Now, the dope thing with our Perfect Package is not only does it come with the lawnmower, it comes with 2 grooming products, which is our body wash and our ball deodorant. Both of these are crucial to, again, level up your area, bro. You're gonna be smelling amazing, even in that private area where most guys, let's be real, almost like 99% of guys, they don't use a ball deodorant. Right? They're not thinking that far ahead. You're gonna be smelling like citrus and woods. Like, come on, bro. Like, I'm trying to help you out here. If you guys click that link down below, you'll be able to check out that Perfect Package 4.0, where you're gonna get 20% off, plus free shipping, plus a free top kit, plus a free pair of underwear. Like, bro, check it out. 4, you don't set boundaries. Bro, you need to understand, when you start dating somebody, you're getting to know each other, you're starting that relationship, you need to be clear with what you do and do not accept. Nobody's out here being mind readers. They won't know how far they can test you. And see, that's what girls will do. Girls will test you. They will push your limits to see just how much you'll allow. If you allow even an inch of something that makes you uncomfortable, she'll keep eating and chopping away on it. And that's how you end up in this toxic relationship, doing these little petty fights that should not even be happening to begin with, if you can set those boundaries up straight up. 5, you have a lack of sexual affection. See, this is whether in the beginning stages or in the later stages. Bro, most of the time when you're with the girl, and it's those early stages, the sexual tension is palpable. Like, both of you are thinking the same thing, but most of you are too scared to actually touch her, to actually close that deal. Kiss her, touch her on the leg, touch her on the arm, break that touch barrier. This is what she's yearning for. And then when you do have her, you end up killing the sexuality with this highly routinized, same thing over and over again approach, which takes away the excitement. Takes away the thrill that she's looking for. And ultimately, number 6, you make her your whole identity. I've always told you this. Women say they want all your attention, but that's a lie. If you ever give it to her, she'll probably become uninterested. She won't like you as much. Women want you to have your own passion. They want you to have your own goals in your own direction. And see, they want to fight for a little bit of attention because it makes your attention valuable. But if you give her everything, your whole identity is my girlfriend, this, my girlfriend, that, my girlfriend, this, oh, I'll do this with my, like, everything's your girlfriend and you got no purpose of your own, bro, I'm telling you, she will get bored of you because you're giving her everything she already wants. There's no value in your time anymore. And that's basically it for this 6 video, guys. Those are 6 behaviors that so many men do. That, it's killing your chances. That's it for your boy. See you next time.